This tutorial will show you how to draw a perfect oval, meaning that your vertical axis and your horizontal axis are at perfect right angles, and that these four quadrants are all equal. So this is for cylindrical objects, so anywhere on that object where you have an oval, you'll want to do this. The first step is making sure that the vertical axis of symmetry is parallel to the edge of your page. And then you need to extend it up, okay? Next step is you're going to put in a horizontal axis, and you want to try to do so that it's at a right angle. But you're going to check that with a triangle. So put your triangle down here, draw your line, and then extend it. And that's really important that that's a right angle in order for this to work out. So right angle, right there. Next step is we have to get these distances to be equal. So first you have to make sure you put a tick mark wherever you want the end of your oval to be. Okay? Then you'll take your ruler and you'll measure, and you may have to count tick marks to figure it out, but that's okay. You just want to make sure that this distance is exactly equal here to here. You're going to do the same thing now along this axis. So you can see right now that this is a bigger distance than this. So you just want to make sure you put a tick mark wherever you'd be happy with half of that opening. Then again, if you need to count little tick marks to make sure this is exactly the same, go ahead and do that. Next, you're going to label this mark A, this mark B, and this mark C. Then you'll take a strip of paper, you'll put the strip of paper down along the vertical axis, and you'll line it up, make a mark here, and you'll write A. Okay? Then you'll line that up along that A axis line. You'll make a little mark here, but you are not going to write C. You are going to write B. And then you're going to move this and line it up with B. Make a little mark along the C axis. That's important. It's along the C axis, not along this mark. And then you're going to write C. And then finally, you're going to line up mark A on that vertical axis and mark C on that horizontal axis, and then make little tick marks wherever B is. You're going to end up tracing these little tick marks, and this is what's going to make your perfect oval. So you want to make sure you have enough of them so that you can trace all the way along here. So you can see I'm going to add one more here. There you go. Now you can go ahead and trace this, and that side's complete. So you want to do the same thing in all four quadrants, and it may take a little while to kind of figure out exactly how you have to line these up in order to make this work. But you can see here, now it's lined up. Now I'm doing this over here. Okay? And that's how it works. That's how you get your perfect oval.